Hi, today we're gonna cook some fish with air fryer. Clean it first. So all you have to do, you just cut it. You cut it like that. And the fin, and that's about it. You can see the inside here. So you have to kind of cut it out. Make sure you can reach clean the inside by the bone, the backbone area. See, like that. Some of the blood inside, you can see, you cut them open, and they have the white area on the skin. But this one look real good, so they're pretty clean to me. Otherwise, you have to make sure that everything clean. So. All right. After that, so you cut this little cut here so they can easier to cook. You cut it about 3 times. Like that. See, like that. All right. Then now you're gonna wash it. You can see them pretty clean. Use a paper towel, and kind of dry them all around inside and inside the fish. You make it dry. Inside the head and everything. Make sure they dry. See, like that. So you can put it here. All right. I think they're pretty good. So you can see them real dry. Water. And now we're going to put the seasoning on it. 4 kinds of seasoning. There's salt, onion powder, and garlic powder, and black pepper. Okay, and that's it. So all you have to do, you just put like salt. You just sprinkle some inside, make it kind of everywhere. Make sure they got salt on it. All over the outside, one side. The salt, and the other side here. All right. Then after that, we just put the black pepper in it. Like that. See that inside? Same thing like the salt, kind of go everywhere, Yeah, that's done. So we're gonna put garlic powder in it. So it's the same thing like the other one. See, you just sprinkle like that, and the inside. See, like that. Okay. And this just the inside too, the head. Okay, and the other side. Okay, now the last one we're gonna put in is the onion powder. And same old thing, just put it on the like that. One side, and the other side, and the inside. Yeah, like that. And we do the other one here. So on the one side, and the other side, and the inside. They go in, so you can see them pretty evenly, So that's it. Then so we're gonna put them in a air fryer right now. So we put a little some foil inside the bottom first. Then this will protect, so you don't need easy to clean. You just throw it away. So now we're gonna put the fish in it. All right. Now you got 2 fish in there. One last thing is you have to spray some oil into it. Okay. So we got some oil on this side. So we put it in there and set it like 400 degrees for like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're gonna turn it over later. So. Okay, now it's 15 minutes. So we're gonna take it out and turn them over. See like that. See, you can see them pretty crispy. Look like. And you lift up the foil, just like that. So you can turn them over. See like that. So use something like that to turn them over. See, they feel loose. You see? And you just turn it over like that. See, like that. You see what I mean? I'm doing? Yeah, like that. Then you use this so you can put it back there. You can see. You can put it back in there. See, like that. See? Then you can see them. I already turned them over. So we're gonna spray some oil into it. Alright, then we're gonna put it back there for the other 15 minutes. Okay, this is already 15 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, take a look at it. See, that's it, right there. Look pretty crispy. And so we're gonna take it out. See, you got the foil on it, so easier to take the fish out. So we're gonna put it on the plate, just like that. Just like that. And also, if you like, you can put some butter on top. See, like that. So let it melt. See. Okay, this is the air fry tilapia.